Let's learn how to get the new story mode on TikTok. So this is a new TikTok feature which allows you to take photos or videos and post it to your TikTok stories. It's similar to Instagram and Snapchat stories, so without wasting your time, let's start with this video. This works for both iOS and Android devices, and let's open the TikTok application on our device. When I tap on this little plus button in the center here, it's gonna open my camera. And when I swipe down here, you can see the story mode that I have inside my TikTok camera. This allows me to take a photo or a video, or add some text to my TikTok stories. But if this story mode is missing for you and you don't have it, then you want to exit your TikTok application and open your App Store if you are on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you use an Android device. In here, you want to search for TikTok and check if you have the latest version of the app installed. If it says update right here, then click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until your TikTok application updated. This is a relatively new feature, so you want to update the app in order to make sure you have all of the latest features and functions, including the story mode. When you update TikTok, you should see the new story mode when you open the camera after updating it. But if you've updated the app and still don't have the feature, then you will have to wait a couple more days or weeks until they roll out the feature for your region. The company rolls out some features for some regions and countries at first, and for other ones later. So if you don't have the TikTok story mode after updating the app, you will simply have to wait a little bit more. And that's it for this video, everyone. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment on it and I'll see you in the next one.